জয় বিশ্বেশ্বরী জয় বিশালাক্ষী জয়
What? You are a daughter-in-law of this family and mother told you to leave the house.
Yes. She told me that if I didn't leave, then Piku would grab me by the shoulder and drag me out of the house.
It's all right, my friend. Quickly pack up your belongings. And take me to Mother Sanjukta right now.
What? What do you mean by packing my belongings? What are you saying, my friend? Do I really have to leave this house?
Listen, we need to buy some beautiful pictures of babies, Piku. Do something for me. Go and buy the pictures, but send the pictures to my phone before buying them, okay? I will approve them, then buy.
Okay.
Go.
But wait a minute. Why are pictures of babies required?
Am I answerable to you? Just do what I'm asking you to do. Go.
Obviously, I can do that, Mom. But previously, you used to explain me the motive behind it. Why do you feel I am demanding an answer now? I mean, Mom, you can't completely trust me anymore, am I right?
No. Why should that be? You are really making a fuss. You are our own. But if you could have made Rangana join us, then there wouldn't have been a problem. I hope you understand what I'm saying.
Who's there now?
Let me check.
Rangana is going to leave the house, so I brought her to you, Mother. After all, you are her mother-in-law too. How can she leave without letting you know?
What? Rangana is leaving the house. Where will she go? And why? Mom, what is she saying? Tell me, Mom. Did Rangana do anything for which you rebuked her?
Why are you silent, Mother? Give the answer to what he is asking.
Even though Rangana is an idiot, she surely tells Nayan everything. What do I do now? Nayan, this is between mother-in-law and daughter-in-law. Why are you interfering? And Rangana, what are you doing here? Didn't I tell you to leave?
But Mom, at least tell me why Rangana should leave. Rangana is my wife and I have the right to ask this much.
Answer? Are you demanding answers from me? Are you demanding answers from me? And you just said what you've been thinking.
Not at all, Mom. I didn't mean to say it in that way. What I'm saying is...
What are you stammering for? Are you speechless now? And even after losing your sight, you haven't lost your edge, have you? You're always trying to create a distance between me and my sons.
What are you saying, Mother Sanjukta? How can someone keep a person away from someone else? Someone who wants to leave will leave.
Keep quiet. Don't try to act tough. Why have we brought Rangana here? You won't let her leave, will you?
Not at all. After all, you are the mother-in-law. How can I urge her to disobey you? My friend has to obey your words, Mother. That's why she packed her belongings before coming here. Have a look. Friend, where are your belongings? Tell me.
I can't understand what's happening at all. But I can't argue back with my mom.
What are you waiting for? Friend, you should take her blessings and depart from this house.
I'm only doing it because you're telling me to. I don't like touching her feet at all. Watch. You can only keep watching. You are a worthless husband. While his wife is being forced out, he's watching on with a sad face. You're a silent bystander.
Will Rangna really leave the house? No, this can't be happening. But mom won't listen to me at all. What should I do now?
Leave it. You don't have to touch my feet. Let her go wherever she can and stay at whatever place she wishes to. I don't have any interest in it, but she will have to go.
All right. This permission is what was needed, Mother Sanjukta. Friend? Where is my friend? Don't remain disheartened, all right? From now on, you should stay at your friend's place. This house belongs to your friend. You know that, right? I am sure you won't have any problems with it. After all, it was you who said that she could stay wherever she wished to.
What is this, my friend? Mother just got trapped in her own scheme. Hey, friend, how intelligent are you? What did you just do? You totally changed the course of the play. I'm proud of you, my friend. You're my best friend. Serves you right.
What a relief. At least Rangna won't be leaving the house.
She was saying she'll drive me away. I'll stay here at my friend's place with due respect. Let me see who dares to drive me away.
Shall I take my friend along with me now, Mother? It's better this way. My friend didn't have to disobey her mother-in-law. On the other hand, now she has a place to stay.
Very arrogant. Haven't you been too boastful as the owner?
Not at all, Mother. You are quite wrong. The arrogance of owning a house is quite massive. And that arrogance teaches someone how to drag and expel a person out of the house. It teaches how to snatch away someone's shelter and make someone lose their ground. The same way you wanted to drive me away numerous times. And today you were trying to drive my friend away. I am not that arrogant, Mother. Because I'm well aware of the fact that the house belongs to my father-in-law. And I'm only being a custodian on his behalf. I'm protecting the property that protects my entire family. The way in which a tree shelters everyone, the hollow allowing the insects to thrive and propagate their family, its shadow providing respite to weary travelers. This house is exactly like that. And I'll provide shelter to every possible person in the house. However, if at any time I come to learn that someone is attempting to harm the family while living here, I will immediately evict them from this house. Whether someone is a relative or not, I won't spare anyone on that day. Rangana, my friend, let's go. Take me to my room.
Come on,
Let's go.
come with me.
I want this house. By any means possible, I want its ownership. I want it. No, Vicky, I can't stay calm. I can't tolerate her haughty words. I can't tolerate it. I won't remain calm until I evict her from this house.
Oh, Mom. This darkness is better. I'll look at you in this faint light. And in this darkness, I'll wrap myself in it. No one will be able to see me. No one will be able to abuse me with such disgraceful comments. Keep me hidden this way, Mom. Please keep me hidden this way.
Wow! You did an excellent job of arranging the dishes.
Assuming it with my hand is my only hope now.
Don't say such rubbish things. You can easily perform things that we can't, even with having our eyesight intact. Grandma tells the truth. Lourdes Lakshmi resides in your hands.
Grandmother says that because she loves me, Rangana.
You are someone to be loved, my friend. Okay, tell me, what shall be the next dish?
Now it will be the 5 types of rice. I couldn't even make dessert for Dripto on his birthday. So,
Nayan,
yes,
are you done?
has Dripto arrived, Aunt Pratima?
No, Deepu isn't here yet.
What, he isn't here yet? Although it's so late, he still hasn't come. Friend,
Yes.
please take me to Dripto immediately. He has secluded himself in his room for a long time, Aunt Pratima. I'm feeling anxious now.
Go and call him.
Yes.
He probably won't come unless you call for him.
Yes. Dripto sir? Dripto sir? Dripto sir? Dripto sir, open the door.
Leave me, I don't want to eat.
What are you saying? Why won't you eat?
I told you I won't eat. I'm not feeling well, you please go away.
Why are you doing this, sir? The people who resort to lies are roaming scot-free. Aren't you an honest person? And you've locked yourself in your room because you won't eat. Are you hiding your face by shutting yourself in? These actions of yours will strengthen their resolve. Can't you understand that? Open the door, sir. Open the door. Right now, sir. Dripto, sir.
Won't you let me stay? What happened?
Hey, what is this? Dripto is standing in the dark like a phantom. Do something. Hold each other's hands. Dripto, take my friend inside by holding her hand. And my friend, show him the way through this darkness. And listen, come downstairs to have dinner. She won't eat until you do. Goodbye.
Friend! Friend! Friend!
Rangana has already gone. Come inside. Watch your steps. There's a bump over there, okay? Be careful.
Sir? So why did you bring me to your room? Won't you go to dine?
You know, Nayan, Mom visited me today.
Is it true?
The entire room was filled with her fragrance. The wind was carrying her touch. But But what she wanted to say me, I couldn't quite make it out. If I could have heard what she wanted to say, then I would have calmed down a bit.
I don't know what mother was saying back then. But now she'll definitely want her son to have his dinner. Because no mother wants their child to remain hungry, Triptusa. It's painful for her. It's painful for a mother to see her child hungry, sir.
But Nayan, how do you know that? You haven't become a mother yet. Whoever will be the mother of my child, I'll treat her like a queen. She'll be the apple of my eyes. She'll be a goddess to me. And my child will be a blessing from goddess Vishalakshi herself.
That doesn't matter, Triptusa. A mother resides within each and every girl. So all girls understand what goes through a mother's mind.
Here's the fish curry. Start arranging the dishes slowly.
Yes.
And there's no water at the table.
Rangana. Rangana, why was mom kicking you out?
Why are you asking me? Ask your mom. She will be able to explain better.
But Rangana, I'm your...
But what, Piku? You don't even talk to me properly. Your mom means the world to you. Then instead of asking your mom, why are you asking me about it?
Mom hasn't told me anything, Rangana. Won't you tell me?
What happened to you today? Why are you being so nice to me? After all, I'm a fool. If my words serve as a laughing stock to you, then you'll get angry. Have you ever thought about it? That I may have some things to say. I do want to speak up.
Where's the heat coming from, sir? Have you raised the lamp?
Nayan, how do you get to know everything? I thought since you can't see me, so I wanted to take this opportunity to look at you. Nayan, your face resembles a goddess. You are really the daughter of goddess Vishalakshi. Otherwise, such deep eyes, no one has them. Hey, Nayan, what happened? Show it to me.
What are you doing, Driptosa?